Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. We're traveling. We are in Yellowstone National Park right now. We've done horseback riding, we've done UTV riding.
Hiking. What else? We did kayaking yesterday, went down the river.
So the medical kit we brought with us was our hiking kit. This is a good day hike kit. It's a little bit heavy if you're gonna do multiple days. Obviously, weight is an issue there, but for day hiking, this is kind of what we built the kit around. We haven't used any of the major supplies, thank goodness, but we've used some of the medicines. We just used some upset stomach for MJ.
Yeah, she had a little tummy ache, and she said, "Can we go back?" And I'm like, "No, we're up in the north end of the park. We might as well keep going because we need to finish up the loop. It's the same amount of time to go home." So
you used the moleskin.
I've used the moleskin. We've used Band-Aids. You got out something earlier in the week. What did you get out? We've used the hand sanitizer out of there.
But we've got liquid IV in there. There's lots of pain meds in there. Upset stomach. There was something else I used, Benadryl, because horses.
He's allergic to horses, and he really wanted to do the trail ride with our daughter because she's been taking horseback. So first hour in, he was okay, but by the end of the second hour, he was sneezing and snotting from all the horse dander.
Definitely. So this is our hiking kit. Due to supply issues, it's a little bit different. We normally have the rise splint in there, so we just do the axis splint in there. And then there's something else, the tweezers. So kind of modified it just a little bit. Does have a tourniquet, does have a pressure bandage. Thank goodness we have not used any of that. But not saying that we wouldn't, because there's a lot of people riding motorcycles out here, things like that, and I would absolutely stop and be the first responder. So carrying a Max Edition backpack. This has been a good pack for me as well. I've used it in Colorado. Now we're in Montana, Idaho, using it. So it's been a good backpack.
Yes. It's collected a lot of dust and dirt over the years carrying it places.
Yeah. So awesome. Anything else you want to add?
No, just if you have a chance to see Yellowstone, I highly recommend it.
I will put a list down below to the kit, because if you want to see the full list of stuff. But this is our hiking kit. This is what we chose to take on vacation. We flew with it, didn't we? Wasn't it, or was it in our carry-on?
It was in our suitcase.
Okay, so we didn't carry.
We checked it in a check bag.
Shouldn't be anything that you can fly with it.
I would think so.
With a carry-on. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.